Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of, well, let's just say my favorite Mitsubishi out of our whole current range. It is the Eclipse Cross LS, and in the two-wheel drive model and on this kind of kilometers, it is fantastic value. So please don't waste the opportunity. Come in, test drive it, and have a look for yourself just how incredible this vehicle is. For now, I'm going to walk you through the features of this vehicle because, let's face it, it is in brand new condition. On the front end, you do get nice sharp headlights, the first of the range to actually adapt that nice sharper front end. You've got elegant daytime running lamps that do run through that headlight, chrome surrounds for your front grille, and big bold fog lights and indicators down the bottom as well. Now, along to the first alloy wheel, beautiful design there as well, nice multi-spoke design with the chrome and black finish, and the whole curves and edges and the sharp angles of this vehicle do make it a stunning spectacle. So the vehicle is actually designed for aerodynamics and fuel economy. So as you can imagine, they have designed it with the idea of actually cutting the air. You've also got the color match side mirrors and the door handles. Door handles do have a keyless entry, so when you press that button, it does lock your vehicle and fold in your mirrors. Now on the inside, beautiful seats in this as well, so you've got the cross-stitch kind of design on those seats, and if you notice, the seats do actually sit quite close to the door, which means it maximizes how much space you actually get on the inside. The mud guards are also just on the door down the bottom, so it does also once again maximize your interior space. Now the great thing about the Eclipse Cross as well is when you open this door, it does actually open almost 90 degrees, which means it's very easy to actually slide it in and out of that back seat. Closing that back up, we'll keep making our way along to the back of the vehicle now. I personally love the back end of this Eclipse Cross. I believe Mitsubishi has gone above and beyond and absolutely nailed such a unique rear end. So the tailgate does actually have that rear light that goes through the middle. With the split glass, it does actually give you improved visibility. You've also got the spoiler on the back here, which does hide the rear wiper under there as well. You've got the color match parking sensors on that rear bumper, and when you open that up, plenty of space in the Eclipse Cross too. Now, one thing I'm going to show you while the camera is still at the back there, these seats do actually fold completely flat. So once those headrests are down, or almost completely flat, so great for making more space. Now, the other thing is, these are on rails, so you can slide them forwards and backwards if you wanted to improve how much space you get in the back. Now, in the back end here as well, you'll notice you do get a cargo blind, so if you were to keep anything private in the back, you have got the option. Under the floor, you've got your space saver spare plus your jack and tools. Close that back up, keep making our way along the passenger side. Now on the passenger side, you do get the fuel filler cap, being the safe side of the vehicle. Feel free to run this vehicle on 91. Now the back windows, you will notice, are also slightly darker than the front. That is privacy glass, which means you don't actually get the UV protection that tint would offer. So ask us about our lifetime paint warranty plus the window tint packages that we have available. We're going to help you package it all up and give you the protection you need in your new Eclipse Cross. Now what we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Now the turbo in these vehicles isn't actually made for performance as such. It's made to give you a good quick takeoff and then keep you running and save you some fuel whilst you're up to speed. Now the way the engine bay is actually designed, you do actually get a 3-point strut brace, so it's all about control and stability in this vehicle, and that strut brace does actually hold your vehicle together. The 8-speed automatic gearbox also gives you a very, very comfortable drive. ANCAP Safety Rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags. Power output is 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 250 Newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 liters and you can just run it on your basic 91. The average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 863 kilometers from a full tank. Look inside the Eclipse Cross. On the driver's side door, you do get a little handle here with the mirror controls next to your thumb. On the door itself are all your power window controls, which are all automatic. Above that is your central locking and your window lock. Now on the right hand side here, you've got your forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, traction control, and a blank button, along with your parking sensors and headlight adjusters, which let you actually change the angle of your headlights. Now if you want any more information about Mitsubishi's MyVec systems, please do ask us, because we will go through every safety system in this vehicle in as much detail as you need. On the right hand stalk here, you've got your fog lights, indicators, automatic headlights, and automatic high beams. On the left hand side, you've got your washers and your rain sensing wipers. Behind the steering wheel, you do get your paddle shifter, so if you wanted to switch through the gears manually, you have got the option. You've got cruise control on the right hand side with all your media and hands-free controls on the left. Now in this center display here, I'm just going to put it in reverse, show you the nice reverse camera you do get, so you can clearly see the rear bar in there, so it does make it very, very easy to actually reverse this car. In terms of media, it is a differently designed head unit, so it is touchscreen if you wanted to swipe through everything fairly easily, but I'm going to show you a different way to use that in a second. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means it will run Google Maps off your phone, as well as all your apps and phone and call connectivity as well through that. Down the bottom, you've got your climate control, so set the temperature with the left one, press auto, and the car will regulate the fan speed to keep that temperature. Down the bottom, you've got two USB inputs, eco mode, and a 12-volt socket with some storage if you wanted to keep your phone there while it's plugged in. That shifter, you can drive it as a normal auto. If you bump it to the left, you can switch through the gears manually with the shifter or with the actual paddles behind the steering wheel. You've also got a trackpad down here, which lets you switch through the options in that head unit very easily. You've also got an electric park brake, auto hold, and two nicely sized cup holders. That leather wrapped center console, which when you open it up, you do get plenty of storage, plus a little holder here for your sunnies or anything you really need. Now, back seats, as you can see, are very, very comfortable as well. What we're going to do now, guys, I'm not going to spend too long on the condition of the inside, is jump outside and wrap up the video. So much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of the stunning Eclipse Cross. As you can see, it is a beautiful vehicle, and considering it's a new car and such great value, do your part and protect your investment. Ask us about how we can offer you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork with premium paint protection and the window tint packages we have available as well. The other thing I would recommend is ask us about the Platinum 1 program we offer, because if this is a lifetime a long-term investment that is going to give you another 5-year warranty on top of your existing new car warranty. You will also get up to 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance and up to 200,000 kilometers of cover. So it is awesome value and a great way to protect your investment in the long run. The other thing is you need to know who you're dealing with, so please ask us about our Google reviews and read them for yourself as well, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable dealership buying a good quality vehicle, and we like to look after our customers, make sure the process is easy, and make sure that you are comfortable in your new purchase. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.